Looking for a replacement for Runway Unlimited. All of these tools that you have to log in, if you have to log into a tool, text, image, video, automation, anything, you are paying a huge subscription tax. That subscription tax means you are paying sometimes 2,000% more for tokens than developers. Let that sink in. You could be paying up to 2,000% more by a subscription, you just don't know, versus going and getting the same tools through an API from developers. So developers are paying less, getting the same automation just because they know Claude Code and Terminal. And so if you're paying for Runway, by the way, Runway is not even that like you're going to use for images and video, okay. And then you're going to use Seedance 2 for video and ChatGPT Image 2 for images. Those are your two go-to models. I have a question. Do I have to keep HeyGen? I just canceled Higgsfield. Well, actually, believe it or not, that's actually a good question. Where's this HeyGen question right here? Because with HeyGen, important thing, very important thing. Okay, HeyGen. HeyGen. I'm just gonna put battery died on TikTok. Unfortunately, battery died on TikTok. I thought we had a good run. Darn. One of the biggest things with HeyGen is that you don't pay the subscription. Right. If you're paying, they have two payments. They're totally different. The subscription and the API. They're not the same. You can pay for the API, never have to pay for the subscription, get full access to all the features of HeyGen, and never have to log into HeyGen because you have the developer API version. So that, and then you only pay per usage. So from there, it's a lot cheaper than paying a subscription that you may or may not use, because the subscription handicaps you and requires you to log into HeyGen every single time you want to make an avatar. Versus with the API, no subscription, API key, and then you can have Claude log in and he could fully automate all of it. Nice. Nice. We also talked about how to automate all of your content. I mean, the easiest thing is just join the Academy because we have a template that has the all-in-one content automation automatically, so you don't have to build anything from scratch.